lends a lot of confidence and comfort to the other people. And also the other people will realize that they cannot screw around with you, because these people are going to be watching over and making sure that they're getting a fair deal. So, having that in place is very important. If it's on an informal basis, there could be advisors. If it's on a formal basis, they are board of directors. But it's important to have these kinds of structures in place if we really have aspirations of creating an enterprise. Right? And then the ability for you to now bring in and part with part of your company. If you have already thought through and you're ready to do that, great. But if you're not, this may be part of your adjustment or paradigm shifts that you have to go through if you want to use them.
What exactly do you mean by part with a part of the company?
So you have the shares, you can bring equity.
That has to be done at the group.
So we can continue after this, but I just wanted to give a quick idea as to what the process looks like, and if there is anything that we can do as mentor partners or any of our early stage investors in India. I'll be speaking to Dr. Gupta about this and some of the way to keep this conversation going.
Thank you very much, Ravi. Actually, as you mentioned, the last sentence that you mentioned was very critical. I am very conscious of it, and I know some of you also have become conscious in the last 2 days. Which is that having a credible mediator, whether it is STEP, CII, or any other agency that you may think about, helps you in becoming credible in the process. You do not want a social capital. So every platform has a social capital of its own. Secondly, it also helps prevent the kind of experience that you mentioned you had. You mentioned earlier. Thirdly, you can also moderate it. That's something he had something that he would say, but he did say initially, that why somebody else is the director and that. Those are issues of moderation of expectations that you can't make money alone in this world. The other people will definitely make money alone. And in early stages, they will make more money. And this is not easy thing for an entrepreneur. No innovator understands this. That in early stage, why should somebody else make money when I invest my life and develop this innovation? And somebody else is making more money than I am. But that is something which happens simply because you at least must part in the first innovation in that process. Second time you rule the world. First time they rule the world. And that is unfortunately there. Unless you find an investor who is going to mentor, and this is where mentor partners will come. Something that is possibly can not only link mentoring but also investing. And in that case, if they see a potential in you that you can be the big people, perhaps I think that you will find that there must be some cases where we should let them pay. You didn't come earlier, Dr. Reddy has a laptop which has double sides, and all that, you see that. Now that's the technology which I think is a technology which can go all over the world. No company manufactures that kind of laptop. Probably, and they have enough deep pockets. He does 3 operations a day. So, he 10 lakhs per day, something like that he does. So, he can invest a lot of money. That's not a problem. But the kind of partner that he needs, he couldn't stop for strategy. That is a business, that is his profession. You must do that. We don't want to do the good person in that business. He needs that kind of, he can become right over the cake. It's not that he has such huge potential. But some of these technologies are niche products. They will go to the space systems. They will say that it can be applied to anybody. I'm not so sure that it can be applied to anybody. Any certain. So anybody who is certain, possibly. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We will break for 3 and going to the group discussions. Before we break for the B, I have 2 announcements. This list must be filled up today if you want transport to the place of your departure. So I have got about 30, 50 people, but there are many more who will tell us what time they are going and from either from IMDC or LMDC, they duty transport. So this we will be standing outside, you have to tell him the departure plan. If it was a certain many times, somehow he will come back just following. Second point, that there are, we have 3 groups, could you make 4? If you make 4 groups, just like it. One could look at So one group could work at the three things together if you want holistic group: risk capital, commercialization, and networking. Technology networking. I've got the issues that you gave in the morning. All of them have been typed out, so that group will have those issues. We need to go beyond. We need to go beyond where we got yesterday, and need to go much more precise terms with very precise strategies, so that we can learn from today's evening presentation and rethink our commercialization strategy and commercialization approach. You remember that he said the market, including marketing, will cost 10,000. Biggest reaction. How do you know it will cost 10,000? How do you know what the cost of marketing is? How do you know about marketing? He knows nothing about marketing. He's an airport medical officer, armed forces medical officer. He doesn't know anything about marketing. He knows how to kill people, make them alive, measure their ethics. But so therefore, marketing is something that people who do that. You cannot, you want to bring in those dimensions in the group discussion today into leverage. Second is the fabrication, manufacturing, and scaling up of the innovation. This rapid prototyping issue came up, and Matthew is here, many other people are there. Discuss with them. I think we should now today move into fabrication group. And let all those who have got a stage where they want prototype, so that they have a prototype is not developed properly. They should get together in the second group and discuss how to get a prototype. What are the mechanisms, what are the methods, and we can give some time to this group equally. That is very helpful, even if 15-20 minutes, half an hour. The third is the policy support for information support. We mentioned about income tax. What are the provisions of the income tax which can help the people who have patents or who do not have patents, who have innovation, who do not have innovation, who have R&D units recognized by DSR, who do not have R&D units recognized by DSR. There are a whole range of policy issues. Some you do not know, Pratap, you should be in this group. Some who do not know, Pratap will tell them. And some who know but do not know how to use these benefits. And some who feel that their benefits they need are not in the policy. So what are the new policies they need to support innovation? These are the things. And also the ethical issues in technology development and diffusion. Linkages with the informal sector, if you can bring in, that will be wonderful in each section. These are the three groups. Social and ethical issues, policy issues, we will combine in one. Yesterday we did not have much discussion on open source, but as you can see today, many people have said, one doctor said, I want to build this away, just give me credit, that's all I want, I don't want anything. It's an open source technology in that sense. So what do we do for such technology which are open source, how do we use them? If the third group can also discuss that, that will be wonderful. So first group goes down, the commercialization group goes down, there is the basement. The second and third group can go to the next stage as we did. Is that all right? Thank you.
And just one, I talked to you about mentoring, and you saw some of that, a very quick sample of that today, although we didn't take it to any depth. To continue to be able to provide that kind of guidance if we can, we at Mentor Partners have funded a company called Mentor Square. It's Mentor, MENTO or SQUARE. So it talks about commercialization, entrepreneurship, and so on and so forth. So if you need any guidance on the business side of things, please log on to it. It's free of charge right now.
Okay. Whether get you can or something like that.
I have some brochures of that. The Economic Times wrote about the company. They feel that this is what is required. See, there are lots of hard infrastructures, incubators, and so on, and funders, and all that. But there are not many people who have the ability to help guide you on the business side. That's what this company does. And we have already about 45 members, coming up to 50.